What's the minimum dose for building muscle, as I don't seem very anabolic at 100 milligrams?
It's not, building muscle has nothing to do with a dose. Building muscle has to do with proper training, proper nutrition, and proper sleep. I don't see it behind them now. I think that's a different book, perhaps that blue one. But Steve wrote a book on diet and training. I don't know if you have it translated into English.
No, I have not, but
Okay. All right. There you go. So I would imagine he knows a thing or two about lifting and eating because he's just a physical specimen over there. So uh, yeah, I mean, get if you know if you speak Dutch, then get Steve's book, and if you don't, maybe ask him for a referral to an English version. But learn how to really train correctly for your intended goal. Learn how to really eat correctly for your intended goal, and make sure you get plenty of sleep because nothing happens without good sleep. I promise you, it's not your testosterone. It's really not. It's like going on a journey in your car and then saying, what music should I play to get there faster? It's just like, that's just something in the journey. It really is like the last bit of anything that has to do with how quickly and how effectively you're going to get to your muscle goals. I've seen guys with low T build physiques, and I've seen guys with really good T levels that lay on the couch and do nothing actually look like slobs. So I know you're probably training, you think you're doing things right. I'm not trying to be antagonistic here, but here's the deal. If you're not happy with your results, then your body says otherwise. It's not about my opinion, your opinion. The bottom line is if your results are not happening, then your input doesn't justify the output. Change the input. Change it. All right? Put the ego aside, ask for help, research, do your homework. You got to lift with intent. Watch Sam Sulek. Watch how that guy trains. The guy trains to failure on every damn set. Every set he'll go to full failure. And that's what's required to really cause muscle adaptation. Your body's very content where it is. That's why it's how it is. Whatever your body you have right now is conducive to your daily activities. Your body adapted to your lifestyle. And if your body is going to change, your lifestyle has to change. Your training has to change. Your nutrition has to change. Your sleep has to change. If you're doing everything the same for the last year and you got no results, change it. It's not your 100 milligrams. I promise you. It's not. I wish it was that easy. It's not.